BAIC's BJ81. A new off-roader that echoes iconic designs. BAIC, a Chinese automaker, has unveiled its latest off-road vehicle, the BJ81. The design draws striking parallels to popular models from Jeep, Land Rover, and notably the Mercedes-Benz G-Class. This new model is slated to replace the existing BJ80 and is expected to debut in the third quarter of 2026. Design and aesthetics. The BJ81 closely resembles its predecessor, the BJ80, but appears slightly more polished. The vehicle features a blacked-out design with heavily tinted windows, a black grille, and circular LED headlights that strongly mimic the iconic look of the Mercedes G-Class. Its front bumper and overall shape further reinforce this resemblance. The side profile includes flared wheel arches, side steps, and robust door handles. A spare wheel carrier and split tailgate complete the rear design, alongside square tail lights and high-performance Brembo brakes with cross-drilled rotors. Powertrain options. The BJ81 is expected to retain the engine options from the BJ80. A 2.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder producing 231 HP and 254 lb-ft of torque. A 3-liter turbocharged V6 offering 280 HP and 310 lb-ft of torque. Both engines will likely be paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Market outlook. Currently, there is no indication that BAIC intends to export the BJ81 outside of China. The vehicle is positioned primarily for the domestic market, aligning with current industry trends where similar designs are popular among local consumers. The BJ81's design is a clear indication of how Chinese automakers are leveraging established aesthetics to capture market share. While this approach raises questions about intellectual property, it also demonstrates a growing confidence in domestic engineering and production capabilities.